Do you want to use Remix in Facebook Reels? You can remix Reels on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To use Remix in Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Reels icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Reels feed. Browse through the Reels and find the reel you want to remix. Tap the three dots menu icon at the bottom left of the Reel video. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select Remix this reel. If the remix option is not visible, it means the creator has disabled remixing for that reel. Now you are on the remix screen. Here, you can record your video alongside the original reeler, add your reaction, voice, or content. You can adjust the layout, trim the video, add text, stickers, effects, or music if needed. You can also upload one from your device's gallery. Once your remix video is ready, tap the Next button. On the next screen, add a caption, hashtags, or other details. Finally, tap the Share Now button. Your remixed reel will now be posted on Facebook and visible to your followers.